So, Orion, what are we doing today?
A volcano.
Are we going to make it explode?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, why don't you put the vinegar in and let's see it do it. There you go. Woo! That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That made a big mess, didn't it? Is that a cool volcano?
Yeah, great. Most of it landed in there.
Yes, most of it did land in there.
Yeah, that was great.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
All right.
Before the rest did.
Uh-huh.
Good to see more. And this is more exploding.
Oh, we might have to put more baking soda in.
Put more.
I think we have to put more baking soda in.
It explodes.
What do you think about your volcano?
Awesome.